Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know that I have been uploading a lot recently, but it just feels like forever since I've sat down and unboxed my Boxycharm or really any subscription box. I've been doing so many other things and I don't know, life just feels a little crazy right now. So it's nice to just do something kind of normal for me. I always unbox my Boxycharm with you. I just got it in the mail today, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it's still relatively early for you guys and this is not just another unboxing of the same old box. I know there's a couple different things that can change person to person. Not all of the boxes are the same, but they're kind of similar. So I just want to dive in and unbox this with you today. If I look extra dewy, it is because it's hot as balls. I shouldn't say that. If I look extra dewy, it is because I am super hot. The high is like 90 degrees in Alabama and I am just a little toasty. I've also had this makeup on for a long time. It is like after 7 o'clock at night and I put this makeup on at like 8 o'clock, maybe a little bit before. So yeah, she's lasted. Enough blabbering, let me get into it. Before I unbox it, I just want to quickly say thank you so much for clicking on this video. I do appreciate every single thing you guys do, and hopefully this isn't annoying, but I would love to ask you guys to make sure that you are subscribed and that you have on the notification bell. Even if you kind of assume like you've done it in the past, just check it, because I've had person after person after person tell me that they subscribed and now they're unsubscribed, that they turn on notifications but they find that their notifications aren't turned on, or that they still don't see my videos. So just kind of double check if you are interested and you just want to give me a little love and support. I would truly appreciate it. In addition to that, I feel like I have fallen back into the wormhole of YouTube where people don't see my videos. So if you have a moment to go and check and you're looking for some other videos, look at my most recent ones. My last few have just been like crickets chirping. I don't know, people aren't really seeing them that much. So if you think that you might be interested, I have a video about laser hair removal. I have a video about clean skincare. What else? I can't remember what else my videos are. My last vlog, which I uploaded on Monday. So yeah, I have been uploading a lot. Maybe that's, maybe I've just been uploading too much. Sorry for rambling, but that's my little spiel. So if you have a moment, just make sure that everything is the way you want it to be, that if you want to see my videos, that you go and find them and turn on notifications and all that good jazz. Okay, I'm done. That's it. Now let's dive into Boxycharm. $21 a month for Boxycharm. That's really the standard. I do get Boxylux as well, which is every third month, but this month just a regular Boxycharm, and I am really excited to dive in. I will of course have Boxycharm linked below if you want to check it out. They honestly have one of my all-time favorite subscription boxes. Not every single one is a winner, but for the most part I am always really happy. You are kind of rolling the dice as to what you're going to get, but I'm usually really pleased. So this one is totally Boxycharm and it's super pink. Kind of reminds me of like Clueless or something like that. Kind of gives me that kind of vibe. So let's dive in. Ooh, I see some pink stuff. First thing I see on top, this is it just says Steve Laurent and it says nothing else. Okay, that's interesting. Also, please ignore my nails if you see them. I'm going to paint them tonight, but I just wanted to get comfortable on the couch before I did that and just put on some PJs. So I stayed with my, natural janky nails. All it says is Steve Laurent and Chic. I'm assuming this is a lip pencil, so let's check it out. Steve Laurent lip liner goes for $15. That's pretty reasonable. It looks like it's a sharpened pencil. It is indeed. And it says you can reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. It says this lip pencil is total magic. Bing. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish, completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long, lasts up to 7 hours. Oh, I kind of want to throw this on and just kind of, I don't know, see what it's like. I don't have anything on my lips. I actually did a lip scrub at work and then put just a lip balm on because my lips were kind of a little chapped. So let's try it out. And if I wasn't specific, the shade is Chic. I know I quickly said that, but that is the color. So I'm kind of seeing how it is to overline with this, because it is one of those shades that looks, I don't know, like somewhat natural, like it's close to a kind of a natural shade. I'm just going to grab a Grande gloss. These are some of my favorites. Okay, it seems pretty nice. I honestly haven't heard of this brand, but I'll definitely try this pencil some more. I am seeing, however, when I first applied it, it kind of accentuated the pores around like the line of my lip. That's usually never something I've seen with lip liners before. It doesn't have like the best feel to it. It feels pretty dry. Now a lot of people do like a drier lip pencil. Here is the shade. But I just felt like it kind of wanted to just crumble a little bit. I feel like it's a pretty flattering color for almost everyone, so that's a really good thing. All right, next I see the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. Ooh. So I think it's really cool that this is a newer item that they are including. So of the Tarte mascaras that I've tried, I have a couple that I really love, and then the one in like the wooden tube wasn't my personal favorite, but no big deal. I really, really love Lights Camera Lashes. And what is he doing up here? Miss Minutes? I don't know what my cat is doing. So this is a hot pink tube. It's really cute. It says Big Ego. I do want to use this really soon. I'm very curious about it, so I'm going to show you guys. Oh, it looks just like the Better Than Sex wand. I have on the CoverGirl Lash Blast mascara. I really like that one. I'm going to see how it does over already dry mascara, because it's hard to find ones that you can layer over dry. It's actually doing a pretty nice job. I can tell a difference. You guys see a difference? I do. Usually I hate layering another coat of mascara over dry mascara. Like, I usually just won't do it. But this is actually pretty freaking nice. So I'm really excited to try this on its own. I'm sure it will be an even better experience. But I'm kind of blown away that this layered so well over mascara that I put on like, God, 11 hours ago. So the Tarte Big Ego goes for $23. It says it's ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. So I'm really excited about this one. Okay, I have here the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I actually do have one of these, but it is one that I truly enjoy. So here is that. That's what it looks like. Like I said, I've used this powder. I actually really enjoy it. Love this for dry skin. It has a very interesting feel to it because it does feel like almost like cool water is bursting on your skin, but it's dry. It's strange, but like in a really good way. So I actually really do like this powder, and it says this one goes for $39. It's weightless powder to set and refresh makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish, formulated with 50% water and glycerin. Wow, glycerin's really good for the skin too. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. I can vouch for that. So I have a question for you guys, those of you watching. I'm about to wrap up my other two giveaways, and then I'm gonna do another one because my last giveaway was for 12,000 subscribers and I'm now at 17. Crazy. So I have a few different powders that I was thinking about giving to you guys. So let me know if you're more interested in the Hourglass powder or Laura Mercier translucent, or this one. What would you be more keen to see in a giveaway? Next, I have something from Wonder Beauty, which I have been loving their products. I have their other face oil. I can't remember what that one's called off the top of my head, but I really like it. So this one is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. I think I just have the Glow Ahead oil. It says this one is multitasking beauty elixir that instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. It's a lightweight, powerful formula that nourishes and primes the skin and helps restore skin moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. So this goes for $42. That's a pretty hefty little price for this size of an oil. Wow, you get 0.84 ounces in here. That's not a lot. But like I said, I do feel like the quality is really there with Wonder Beauty. I've enjoyed everything that I've tried. We're gonna get the first little, ooh, it's pink. So that's what it looks like just in the little drop. It's definitely not dripping out fast or anything, so I feel like you can definitely control the amount that you use. Oh wow, that did go a really long way. And it feels very light. This doesn't even feel like an oil. It has almost like a very light serum consistency. Okay, so it's really hard to see under these lights, and you can see it actually in the container, and when you drop it out, it's got like a light little shimmer to it. It's a really slight shimmer, so if you're like, oh my god, I do not want shimmer all over my face, I think you'd totally be fine with this, but it has more of a serum consistency. It doesn't feel oily or greasy or anything like that, so I'm excited to try that. I will definitely have to use that under makeup very soon. And then we've got one more thing, and these are freaking adorable. Like, this is so on theme right here, the pink goodness. So these are from Ace Beauty, and it's a Glimmer Shadow Duo for $25. Wow, these look really similar to ColourPop Super Shock shadows, which you know you can get for 4 or $5. It says they're highly pigmented soft shadows with creamy texture designed for the ultimate color payoff. They provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. Okay, so I've got the shades Cotton Candy and Iced Latte. So packaging is very, very cute. So here is Cotton Candy. This is a beautiful shade. It's like peachy pink with a little gold fleck to it. It's really gorgeous. And then this is Iced Latte. So this to me looks like more of a copper color with a silver fleck in it. The little fleck of shimmer that you see in this is like silver, but like icy, like almost a hint of blue silver. It's really pretty though. It's very interesting. These feel extremely similar to ColourPop. I'll have to let you guys know what I think, like compare them side by side and see, but they feel very, very similar. They have like almost identical packaging apart from the color. So I don't know, about $25 for these when you can pick up, you know, 5 Super Shock shadows for $25. So if you do want to see me try out any of these products in a video, let me know. Only one of these products I've actually tried before, so everything else is totally brand new. So if you want to see me and try out some goodies, let me know. I really kind of wanted to do the try on unboxing, but I just wanted to go ahead and film it and get it up for you guys so you have something to watch. And God, is there anything else? I feel like I look like a grease ball and I never get this oily, but I don't know, I kind of like it in a way. Like it looks so healthy, like I actually exercised today, but I didn't. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Mr. Manners would like to say thank you for watching his mom trying to make a better life for my cats. Yeah. Can you say subscribe? Subscribe. Say thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Alright guys, thank you again. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye.